covered shed will be constructed in the new Sabji Mandi at a cost of 90 lakhs. Dari MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said that a new covered shed will be constructed in the new Sabji Mandi at a cost of 90 lakhs. Apart from this, a CC platform will also be prepared for meat eaters. It will benefit the commission agents and farmers during the crop purchase season. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said here that recently the commission agents and farmers had placed a demand before him to build a new covered shed along with a platform for meat eaters in the new Sabji Mandi, regarding which he met Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini recently and placed this said demand, on which the state government has approved the construction of covered shed and CC platform in the new Sabji Mandi. The MLA said that the marketing board has issued a tender for the covered shed and CC platform to be built at a cost of about 90 lakh. Its construction work will start soon. Its construction will greatly benefit the commission agents and farmers. Action will be taken on each complaint after completing the process. Complaints were heard in the Samadhan camp. On the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the complaints that can be resolved in the Samadhan camp are being resolved on the spot, and the rest of the complaints are being sent to the concerned departments for resolution after completing the process. Along with this, action reports are also being taken from the concerned departments on Thursday. While hearing the complaints, SDM Ashish Sangwan has instructed all the department officials of the district to take action on the complaints received through the camp within the stipulated period and reported it to the Deputy Commissioner's office. He told that there are many such complaints and demands which are resolved on the spot. For the resolution of the remaining complaints, letters are written to the concerned departments. There are also many complaints which cannot be resolved at the district level. Such complaints are being sent to the headquarters for resolution. The district administration is ensuring on the spot resolution of various kinds of problems of the people buying, organizing Samadhan camps at the district and subdivision level. The Haryana government has taken this initiative in the form of Samadhan camp to resolve the complaints of the public. He has instructed the officials of the concerned department to resolve the problems on priority basis. Instructing the officials present on the spot, he said that the problems of the citizen coming to the Samadhan camp should be resolved promptly and provide relief to them. IGNOU's 38 Commonwealth will head on 5 March. The 38th Convocation of Indira Gandhi National Open University, Ministry of Education, Government of India is going to be organized on 5 March 2005. IGNU headquarters, 39 regional center across the country. Regional center Karnal is also included among them.